Here in Washington, D.C., a special procession will take place in the heart of the city. The Catholic Information Center in downtown Washington is holding its third annual Eucharistic Procession. The CIC boasts having the closest tabernacle to the White House, and the body and blood of Christ will even pass within view of the Executive Mansion. And joining us now in studio is Father Charles Trullols, Director of the Catholic Information Center. Father, welcome so much. Thank you for being here. Very exciting times for the Catholic Church. We have a new Pope.
We have a new Pope.
And tomorrow we have a big, exciting event taking place in Washington, D.C., here in the nation's capital. Describe, please, what's going on.
Well, we are going to have our third Eucharistic procession downtown D.C. We are going to process by some of the main historical landmarks of our country here in our nation's capital, by Farragut Square, McPherson Square, by Lafayette Square in view of the White House, and we are going to bring the Blessed Sacrament, the Eucharist, to the streets of Washington.
It's going to be beautiful. And anyone can join in, right?
Anyone can join in.
You don't just have to be Catholic, any faith.
Any faith, and you are going to experience the grace and the love of the Eucharist of Jesus Christ for all of us.
And as I understand, this is the third annual procession inspired by the National Eucharistic Revival. Speak to that, please.
So 2 years ago, I had this idea with the National Eucharistic Revival, right, of starting a Eucharistic procession in our nation's capital. There was a lot of revival and a lot of Eucharistic processions being organized around the country, and I thought we need one here. So we started with that, and we had 700 people. Last year we had 1,000 people in the rain, and tomorrow the forecast is really great. Sunny.
Yeah, sunny and no rain.
And no rain.
As far as you know.
And we are expecting so many people from this area and people flying from different states.
Wow, very exciting. And with the new Pope, that adds to the excitement, right?
Absolutely. I am very happy to see some images of Pope Leo XIV bringing the Blessed Sacrament to the streets of Chiclayo during the pandemic and blessing everyone, blessing the streets. And this is a great encouragement for all of us to express our faith, our devotion for the Eucharist always, but especially in this time of Eucharistic revival.
Yeah, maybe the Pope will come. You should invite him.
You
got his phone number, don't you? You have his phone number?
No. I'm looking for it.
No, for sure. And how long will it all take? And maybe people are just hearing this for the first time. How long will it take? What should they expect? Should they bring water, for example, along the way, right?
We have Mass at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow, Saturday. And the Catholic Information at the Catholic Information Center, which is on K Street and 15, just 3 blocks away from the White House. And many people will be in the street because the Catholic Information Center has limited capacity, right? We'll have a big screen outside, and people will be able to afterwards to start processing through K Street and and all this loop that we are going to have. It will take 1 hour more or less, 1.5 hours. It's 1 mile. So you bring your best, to walk, to pray, to sing, to praise. It's going to be amazing.
As I understand, EWTN will be airing this in a special broadcast tomorrow. And then also, and last thing I want to ask you, just describe the Catholic Information Center for folks who might not be aware of it and what you do.
I would say it's a Catholic outpost. Downtown Washington, D.C. We have a beautiful small chapel, daily Mass, the sacraments. I'm always there hearing confession, spiritual direction. We have programs, speakers. It's a Catholic, I would say, place where people can get nourished and can learn about the faith and also, get to know other people and receive the sacraments.
Father, thank you very much for coming in. We're out of time. Good luck tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
All right, good to see you, my friend. Take care.
Thank you.
And if you can't join, you can watch the CIC's Eucharistic Procession right here on EWTN starting at 10 a.m. sharp tomorrow morning.